How to use the DTX-4050I for DTF and DTG printing. Sublistar DTX-4050I is an entry-level direct-to-garment (DTG) and direct-to-film (DTF) integrated printer. With a compact design and low investment cost, it is an ideal entry-level product for small startups and home studios. Select DTF print mode. DTF, direct-to-film printing. Step 1. Print the pattern. Step 2. Shake the powder manually or with a powder shaker. Step 3. Use an oven to bake. Set the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius, and the time is 12s. Step 4. Use a heat press to transfer to a shirt. Set the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius, and the time is 15s. Step 5. Tear off the film. Switch to select DTG printing mode. DTG, direct-to-garment, printing. Step 1. Use a flatbed heat press to pre-press the t-shirt to smooth out wrinkles, and clean the surface of the t-shirt. Step 2. Spray the pretreatment liquid evenly on the shirt. About 2 to 3 times, spraying too much or too little will affect the printing effect. Step 3. Cover the shirt with a white cloth for heat pressing. Set the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius, and the time is 25s. Please note that this step may require multiple heat pressings until the shirt is completely dry. Step 4. Start printing. Step 5. Use a heat press to bake the shirt. Set the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius, and the time is 10 to 15 minutes. Step 6. Turn the reverse side of the shirt, with the non-patterned part facing up. Cover it with a white cloth and heat press it. Set the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius, and the time to 80 seconds.